A cat with 3 front paws. No, Kiara is just sleeping in a funny position. Mishka honey, is it comfortable to lie next to a blood pressure monitor?
Yes, I have accumulated over the years. I have to be prepared for everything.
Kiara is having a very loose day today. Are you sleeping?
Peekaboo. What does it look like? Huh, I can't catch the fly. Fly, come sit on the pacifier.
There's a little cat next to me again, looking for attention. Hi Mishka, you have a funny expression. You're so cute.